Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Log In. Today I'm back with another brand new video to show you guys how you can log in into your ME bank account. First of all, open up your search browser, then go into its search bar and just type for ME bank login and hit enter. After doing so, click on the first link that pops up. This will take you to the official login site of ME Bank, where you need to input your customer ID and access code in order to log in. Now, input your correct customer ID here and enter the access code that you have been given while signing up to your ME Bank. After doing so, just click on Login and then you'll be logged in into your ME Bank account. That's how you can log in into your ME Bank account. If you have any queries about the login process, feel free to comment down on our video. And if you liked our video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. Don't forget to drop a comment for your views and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.